How can we even breathe in space? This makes zero sense. We should be dead by now. Why can we breathe? No, try not to explode over this. Remember, Mario, this goes against everything science. Everything we've known. How can we not breathe in water, but just fine in space? How could we even hear each other? Space has no sound. What's going on? I don't know. Look, this isn't our world, so the rules are different here. I mean, we live with toads that look like mushrooms. That doesn't mean we can deny the laws of space and physics. This is crazy, Mario. Next you'll say we're just video game characters in a video game. This is real life, man. This can't be possible. Luigi, if you keep shaking me, I'll be the first man in space in either world to puke in space, and I'll make sure to do it all over you.